It's custom, just made for Bentley Continental GT.
You know how it goes over here. We're going from Lambos to entry-level boxes.
It's all 9s at the bottom there.
Holy
yeah. Million kilometers, man. Come on. None of these Cullinans and shit. It's the fucking Odyssey.
We will turn this truck into a monster truck.
One tire, which is the front, has 2 nails. The one in the rear has a plug, and that's not a brand.
2 new tires, basically.
I mean, that's what I would recommend.
Ask him what he can do for me.
If I'm a very good friend, don't ask me for a discount. Right?
I told him.
You get what I'm saying?
He was.
If I'm a very good friend of yours, support my business. We make more money dealing with strangers than friends.
HERACAN was still working, baby. Oh, funny enough, this is the last car I drove before breaking my ankle. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everybody. Anybody miss me? Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Than it seems. Alright, so we put the stock wheels back on the customer's HERACAN. Customer recently went on a rally, bent all 4 wheels, all 4 tires went bald. So we're just gonna send the wheels out, we're gonna get them straightened out, we're gonna powder coat the wheels gloss black, put some fresh tires on it, and the car is gonna be good as new. So a couple of business days and the car is gonna be rocking and rolling, and finally off of these stock wheels again.
Here we got a Rohana RFC 10s, 20 by 10 with a 275 30R20 Bridgestone tires on it. This wheel originally was in gloss black machine faced, but we did a custom gloss black finish on it. It's going on a 2010 Audi A5 coupe. So stay tuned.
For Ram 2500, we definitely have options in stock ready to go. So just come over and we'll get you rocking and rolling same day. Awesome. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.
Got 2014 Bentley Continental GT. It's getting 21-inch Savini forge, first in Canada. Savini R01s in gloss black with a tinted face. Stay tuned, you will see the car will turn sick.
So they came in, they don't speak English, they asked if we speak Spanish. We do speak Spanish at both locations. However, Winston is not here. Winston is our Spanish speaking individual here. But Ivan, one of the owners over at the Topico location, he's also first language fluent in Spanish. He born and raised in Panama. So the guys will just head over just 15 minutes south, and they're gonna go see Ivan, and Ivan will get them taken care of. So if you do speak Spanish, so do we, baby.
That's delivery, you idiot. Haru's gonna kill you.
Nah, don't put it there, goodbye.
He was good yesterday. I think it's the rain. He moggled his brain a little bit.
Flags up the brain.
Yeah, he's blank now.
Polaris just showed up. We got a nice Boston care package. We have a set of 18-inch HFX ones. We got 5 wheels here. These are being delivered to a dealership. Shout out my guy Manny over at the Dilawri Ineos dealership. These are going on those new Grenadier trucks, however you want to pronounce it. Stay tuned. If you guys want your Ineos done up on some nice wheels, hit up my guy Manny at the Dilawri dealership and I'll get you all laced up.
Alright, we got a 2024 Ford F150 getting some 2-inch labeling kit, and later on we are installing BF Goodrich 295 60/20 white tires on it, and after that it's gonna going for alignment. So stay tuned, we will turn this truck into a monster truck. Okay, we got 2014 Bentley Continental GT. It's wrapped in a very nice color. What we did custom Ford Savini 21-inch wheels with the Michelin tires, 275 Michelin tires, Michelin Primacy all-season tires. It's custom, just made for Bentley Continental GT. You don't need any hub rings or anything. Direct fit wheels work as OEM. Looks very nice. Have a look. If you want your Continental GT to be good, get it done like this, give us a call.
So here we are, the car's all wrapped up, the wheels have been straightened, put all brand new tires on it, and the vibrations have now been eliminated, and this car drives as good as new.
You know how it goes over here. We're going from Lambos to entry-level boxes.
It's all 9s at the bottom there.
Holy.
Yeah.
No one believe this though. Like, nah, bro, your odometer just doesn't work, bro. The last time I seen it, it said like 980 or something.
Million kilometers, man. Come on. None of these Cullinans and shit. It's the fucking Odyssey.
Bro, look at it. Hey Siri, how close is the moon? 384,400 kilometers away. Look at that. And this is at a mill. So that made it to the moon and back, and then to the moon again.
So you said at moon right now.
Nah, yeah, he's stuck at the moon right now.
Alright, this ain't not retail, just 50%. Okay, scratch his feet, but let's go, bro. Go, extend that. Because he's gambling with a really big number.
Get that shit out of here. The thing is, it does need to be more out. It's just that fitment that we're at. Zach!
No pics, please. No pics. Can't handle the heat. Get up out the kitchen. You heard.